Bob with Frontline Aerosports. Today we're going to do a little chain clean and lube. This chain's obviously quite dirty, very dusty from riding off-road. We're going to use our BMW products, our chain cleaner and our chain lube, and we're going to use a grunge brush. Of course we have a lift here, it's making it a little easier. We have the bike elevated. You can do this on your center stand, or you can block your bike up just so you're able to turn the rear wheel where you can apply the cleaner and the lube. Spray my cleaner on liberally. You want to get it mostly in those O-rings and rollers and pins in the center part of the chain where it rolls on the sprocket. But also be sure you get those side plates. And then I'm going to spray some into my grunge brush. Get that saturated. And just use the brush like so. Turn back and forth. Turn the wheel backwards and forwards. Get those plates and pins scrubbed up really well. My tool over so I'll get both sides of the chain. This chain's so dirty, I'm going to spray a bit more cleaner on. Grunge brush as well. And when you're doing this, it really does help to have one of these brushes as well as the proper lubes and cleaners. We don't recommend using any kind of WD-40 or mineral spirits or anything. Get a chain specific cleaner and lube, whatever your favorite brand is. I really like BMW in the shop. We're giving that a good scrub. Now I'm going to use some shop rags and I'm going to wipe the chain down really well just to get that excess cleaner off. See how dirty
Bob, you're talking about oiling chains. I've heard of chain oilers and seen them on. Would I ever want to put the chain oiler on my bike?
That kind of thing, a chain oiler is sort of up to you. My experience with modern chains with the O-rings and pins, it's really preferable to use your cleaner and your lube independently of the Scott oilers or whatever the brand may be. For one thing, when you have the oilers on the bike, you have a tendency to not really get a good look at it. Whereas when you're using these brushes and your sprays, you're getting a good look at the chain. You know, make sure you don't have any broken O-rings or split O-rings or hooking, wear of the teeth. So personally, I like to use the lubes and the cleaners and the grunge brush. But again, that's kind of up to the rider.
I've seen them over oil too.
Yes, they can definitely over oil as well. That's a good point for sure. We've got this thing wiped down really well between our brush and using our rags. If your chain's really dirty, this one's moderately dirty, you'd also want to get some water in there and spray to get some of the extra gunk off. But you can already see already how much cleaner the application of our cleaner. Now we're going to use our lube. Make sure you shake the lube up really well to get all the components fixed. Now the lube, the part of the chain where you need the lube is the middle part that rides on the sprockets, your rollers, pins, and your O-rings. You don't want to over-apply the lube and get it all over your side plates. So you want to go from the top part of the chain, give a good spray down both banks of O-rings. You have a set of O-rings on either side of the chain on the left and the right parts of the plates. You get that lube worked in real well. Wipe off your excess. And it's just as easy as that. It doesn't take a lot of time. Makes things much quieter riding a motorcycle. You're going to extend your chain life and your sprocket life greatly. And it's something you should do a minimum every couple of weeks or anytime you get the bike really dirty in a rainstorm or if you're on a dirt road. But as you can see, it's really no trouble to do. And just something that you can do on your own at home. Thank you.